So if you printed off the saying like this, what you're going to do with that is take some shipping tape, make sure it's clear, okay? And you're going to take out the tape and you're going to place it on here. I'm just going to put it on the word forgiveness. Place it down and rub it in real good. I put it over the whole thing, okay? I put mine over the whole thing. But what I started to do is I cut it out. I cut the whole saying out. My scissors. You want to get as close to the word as possible. I'm going to, I want them to be able to see that too. So, okay, like that. You can take a little bit of sandpaper if you want and scuff this up. But if you don't have sandpaper, just take your most important tool in the world, your index finger, dip it in some water and put it over the paper. So the tape side is down and you're on the back side where the paper is now. The reason and how this works is I use a toner-based printer, copier. That means when the paper comes out of the printer, it's actually warm to the touch because the machine is heating up the toner. The toner is plastic. And it's heating up the toner and melting that plastic into the paper. So now the plastic is sticking on the tape. It's no longer sticking on the paper, it's sticking on the tape. And you keep doing this until all the paper is gone. And then what you get is a see-through piece of tape. So you have the image now on the tape. So you can put that on your piece when it's all done. You can put it on your piece. It's actually still sticky. And decoupage it. I would put decoupage underneath it and decoupage over top of it. So isn't that cool?
That is really cool. Great demonstration too.
Awesome.
So obviously you would do the whole piece. And so you don't have any white left.
Right.
Clear. And that clearness stays on. You're not transferring it. It stays, the tape stays. You just decoupage it on. Okay. Very cool.
So I started this one just to make sure that it worked, and it did. And so now I just have to keep continuing to, I ended up using 2 pieces of shipping tape, and I hadn't gotten to the point where if I took all this paper off, with the shipping tape separate. But if it does, you can just line it back up. I did it so that the shipping tape line was between the lines. So I'm not losing any letters. I don't have to match letters up. I just have to make sure the lines go straight.